In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new file in GnuCash, perfect for organizing your business finances. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening up GnuCash 5.0 on your computer. If you're ready to start fresh and create a new financial file, simply head over to the menu at the top and choose File, followed by New File. This will allow us to start with a clean slate, ensuring everything is customized exactly as you need it. Once you've started the new file, you'll be greeted by the New Account Hierarchy Setup window. This is where we get to tailor the setup according to your specific business needs. You'll see an option to select business accounts. These are crafted to cover the essential aspects of your business's financial operations. Go ahead and select this option, then click Forward to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to pick your default currency. The choice of currency is crucial since it will be the base for all your transactions and reports within GnuCash. You might choose USD, PHP, EUR, or any other currency your business operates in. Make sure to select the currency that aligns with your local operations or business dealings. Once you've made your selection, click Forward to continue. You'll now see a summary of the default business accounts GnuCash plans to set up for you. These accounts are designed to cover a comprehensive scope of your business's financial activities. You'll find categories like assets, which include bank, cash, and accounts receivable. Liabilities are covered too, with accounts for loans, accounts payable, and credit cards. Your income streams are categorized under sales and services, while expenses include supplies, rent, and utilities. Lastly, for a complete picture, you'll have an equity section containing owner's equity and retained earnings. It's a robust starting point for managing your business finances, so go ahead and click Apply to finalize this setup. The last step is to save your work. Head over to the File menu once more, and this time select Save As. It's important to give your business file a distinctive name, something easily identifiable like mybusiness.gnucash. Saving your file not only ensures your hard work is safe, but it also sets you up for easy access the next time you need to review or update your records. And there you have it. Your GnuCash setup is complete, and your business financials are organized and ready to manage. I hope this guide helps you efficiently set up your GnuCash accounts. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy financial managing.